Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to switch network printing between the TCP and RPC on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So TCP or Transmissions Control Protocol is a server listens on a well-known port or IP address and port pair and accept connections from TCP clients, while RPC or Remote Procedure Call is a protocol that allows different processes on a computer to communicate with each other to perform a task. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu and select run or press Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Alright? So select mo lang dito yung run or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut ng Windows key plus letter R. Alright? So once na open mo na siya, so ganito. And dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. Okay, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na gpedit.msc and click mo lang dito yung OK. And ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. And next step, so dito lang sa local computer policy, under dito sa computer configurations, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates. So double click ka lang. And dito sa administrative templates, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung printers. Okay? So dito sa printers ay select mo lang siya. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung configure RPC. Alright? So mayroon tatlong RPC dito. Okay? So meron ditong configure RPC connection settings, configure RPC listener settings, and then yung last configure RPC over TCP port. So dito sa tatlong RPC ay kailangan lang natin yan i-modify. Okay? So ang next step, so select mo lang yung pinakauna. Ito yung RPC connection settings. So select and double click and pop up itong kanyang properties. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung enabled. And dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung protocol to use for outgoing RPC connections. So i-select mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung RPC over TCP or RPC over name pipes mga kaibigan. So select mo lang dito yan. And then next, click mo lang dito yung apply and click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright? So ang next step, so yung pangalawa na configure RPC listeners so settings. So double click ka lang. And pop up ulit itong kanyang properties. So select mo lang dito yung enabled. And then dito sa options ay dito lang sa protocols to allow for incoming RPC connections. So i-modify ulit natin yan. Click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung RPC over TCP. And then click mo lang dito yung apply. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright. So ang next natin gagawin, yung last, ito yung configure RPC over TCP port. So double click ka lang and pop up itong kanyang properties. So kailangan mo lang select ulit dito yung enabled. And then dito sa configure port of to use ay kailangan mo lang itong i-modify. Alright, silagay mo lang dito yung 0, i-click mo lang apply and click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito and close lang natin at dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to switch network printing between TCP and RPC and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.